Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accounts and Finance with FARSK. This is our video on the Letter of Credit LC Part 1. Hope you will like, share and subscribe our channel. Letter of Credit LC Part 1. Letter of Credit LC, an introduction. Letter of credit, or simply LC, a type of bill of exchange, is a written documentary credit undertaking by a bank issued by the importer's bank providing an economic guarantee upon the request of the importer applicant given to the seller or beneficiary and in accordance with the buyer's or applicant's instructions to make the payment or by accepting or negotiating bills of exchange, that is drafts, up to a specified amount against the required documents and within a prescribed time limit. In simple terms, a letter of credit is a bank undertaking of making payments separate from the sale or other contracts on which it is based. It is a way of reducing the payment risk associated with the movement of goods. Letter of Credit LC, the need. The need for a letter of credit arises as there is a gap between the seller and the buyer, as the seller is not sure that he will receive the money once the goods are dispatched or delivered to the buyer, and the buyer is not sure that he will receive the goods once the money is paid. Therefore, they arrive at a mutual agreement to open a letter of credit or LC through the bank, which assures the seller that once the goods are dispatched or delivered, he will get the payment at a particular date, and the buyer is also assured that he will pay to the seller once the goods are dispatched or delivered, and he will get the full rights of the ownership of the goods. When the seller has doubts about the creditworthiness of the buyer and wishes to ensure prompt payment, the seller can insist that the sales contract provides for payment by irrevocable LC. Furthermore, if the bank issuing the letter of credit issuing bank is unknown to the seller, or if the seller is shipping to a foreign country and is uncertain of the issuing bank's ability to honor its obligation, the seller can, with the approval of the issuing bank, request its own bank or a bank of international repute to assume the risk of the issuing bank by confirming or confirmed LC. Letter of Credit LC set of rules. The Uniform Customs and Practices, that is UCP, for documentary credits is an internationally agreed upon set of rules for all parties involved in all types of letter of credit transactions. The rules were adopted by the International Chamber of Commerce in Vienna in 1933, have been revised several times, and are used by banks in practically all countries. The Uniform Customs and Practices Act, that is UCP, for documentary credits currently applicable is a set of rules when which, when not in contravention of local laws, are legally binding on the parties who have adopted them. The authority of UCP lies in its universal acceptance, which is acknowledged by a statement on the letter of credit itself. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like our video. For more videos, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Accounts and Finance with FARSK.